Today, we're going to focus on centering the icons on the taskbar. But before we do that, we need to add icons to the taskbar. Open the Windows menu by pressing the Windows key and right-click on the apps you want to have on your Windows taskbar. Select More and then Pin to Taskbar to add the icons. You can also drag and drop apps to your taskbar. Once you've completed selecting the apps, you can organize them with a long left click on the icon. You can also drag and drop your icons for easy reordering. After you're done with the icons, it's time to center them. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar, go to Toolbars, and then select Links. Now, click on the links without releasing and drag it to the left. As you can see, the icons are now on the right. Click on this item, and you can move your icons to the center. Now let's remove the Links tab. The last step is to lock the taskbar. Simply right-click and select Lock the Taskbar. Organizing your taskbar is a quick and effective way to personalize your Windows experience. From adding and rearranging icons to centering them for a polished look, these simple steps can boost your productivity and streamline your daily tasks.